Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product sent out to me from STARTRC. This is the Pocket 3 Gimbal Protector. Now in this box, I'm going to show you guys some really cool little accessory that I think anyone who owns a Pocket 3 should have in their workflow because protecting the gimbal. So let's go ahead and open this box up and take a look at exactly what comes in the box. All right guys, so here's what we find in the box with some other accessories and a couple of cards. So basically here's a little card here that shows you how to get started, how to use this. And this right here, you're also going to get a lens protector and some other accessories. So you get a screen protector and a lens protector with this little bundle. But the most important part to me is going to be this right here, which is our gimbal protector. Now this opens by just popping those two little buttons together. And this should work with regardless of what you have on your camera. Now you guys can see I have this little bracket on here with the magnetic base, but that should not be a problem. I should still be able to just line this up like so, snap it closed like that, and check it out. Now the camera is completely protected, the screen is completely protected, and I still have my magnetic adapter on here as well. So I love this type of accessory. So if you guys are looking for a way to take your camera out and feel more confident that nothing is going to happen to it, this could be a win. All right guys, this has been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace, I'm out.